Yes, JB's turn. Is that correct, Counselor?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
unless there's,
Oh, yeah, well, wait a minute, I don't know
Unless
if the other people that signed the appeal, there are two here. Ted Stump and Tina Del Pree are here. The other folks that signed the appeal, I did contact them, and unfortunately, they could not get off from work to do this. But Tina and Stump were kind enough to come, and I thought from what you said earlier that if they wanted to speak on some of this, they could.
yeah, I would advise the board that any petitioner under the appeal that's present desires to present evidence or testimony would have a right to do so.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Shoot, county's in a tailspin, isn't it?
Please state your full name.
Theodore Stump.
Stump?
Yes.
S-T-U-M-P?
F.
S-T-U-M-P-F?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
The flooding is getting worse. And, you've seen that. But, there's a lot of silting from these pipeline construction and well pad construction and road denuding construction. But this particular situation here, one thing is evidentiary, and that's that JB failed to apply for this permit before drilling, knowing that they were required to do so. So that's not only negligent, but that's contempt for West Virginia laws and the residents of this county. So I think anything that they do from here on out is tainted with that in mind. We have plenty of well sites and plenty of producing wells, and I'm sure they have plenty of well sites and producing wells. This one should not be permitted to continue. I know at least, one of the commissioners is from the area. I'm sure he's driven past that site multiple times. It is on the same grade as the road where the well site is located. 200 feet or 100 feet downstream of that well site, it's below the road grade. The only area they have for that entire site is I don't know if it's a few hundred feet between the well and the McElroy Creek. I mean, the well site, and it is small, but it touches both. It touches Route 23 and it touches the banks of the McElroy. And they have an impoundment pond on there, right at the bank of the McElroy. This is bad science going on here. And I feel that this particular situation is a very negligent situation that can be corrected. And that's really about it. But the JB's intent to go ahead without following West Virginia laws and without consideration for the people of the county, that's flat wrong.
There are also a total of, if this goes through, there will be a total of 5 wells on that well pad. 5 wells.
I'm sure it was flooded this past Tuesday because you couldn't get out Wiggins Run. There were multiple feet of water on the 23 side of Wiggins Run Bridge there. And that extended all the way down, I'm sure, through the well site that location is at, because that's very few hundred feet from Wiggins Run to this well site.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I thank you for your time.
Anybody else?
I can't add much more than what I used to.
Okay, thank you. We move on?
Yeah, any further evidence?
Any
from
further
the appellant?
No further evidence. AB?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I don't know if Don, or Mr. Chairman, would you prefer me to do a kind of an opening statement